subscribe now. Hey fam, have you heard about the Vetalic lunchbox? Total game changer. I mean, seriously, storing food has never been this stylish and practical. These boxes are airtight, keeping your snacks fresher than ever. No more stinky leftovers ruining your vibe. Yes, please. They are tough little things, made from durable plastic built to last. With handles and snap-on lids, these bad boys won't spill. Got snacks? This set is perfect for organizing your goodies on the go. Perfect for school lunches or pantry organization. So many uses. Cleaning is a breeze. Just wipe them down and you're golden. And guess what? They are dishwasher safe too. Talk about convenient.